No, she hide from her man, people. You want so she skip and dive a while ago. Get them peace side.
But you wouldn't need to know because
Why?
you can't talk to me.
Oh look, this is crabbing barrel.
Where every year them burn it down all 2-3 times for the year. Schemers where I get the crab them now.
That's how they attack me. Them could have never tackled me.
Why? Try me, buy me.
The crab I try escape under the car seam there under there so. Yes, schemers see the crab in a pot. Hold him. That is it. No, girl, I'm up that tick here for.
That may take long.
Mr. Brookshot, I do him work, you know?
Yeah, man.
Easy, Mr. Brookshot.
Take it on.
Schemers were going in one night, you know. Yeah, that is it, you know. They are gear up for go catch some crab. Yeah, we are got a crab bush. So, you know, operation. Figo drive now?
Boy, you're so undone to the state of the road. But the man never know about it going down there. Years it never make me and
I go. Yes, schemers. Crab bush, you know. Yeah, you know, a night we have to go because the crab them come out. Them come out enough a day too, you know, but them enough a night. When them can't see nobody, them come out. And we are going to catch them, you know what I mean? That is it. Yeah. Yeah, so stay tuned, people. That's a code. I saw them call Mary Brown's corner. Oh, my light pan green. Oh, come here and watch a straight light over there, so. I saw them call Mary Brown's corner. Yeah, yeah, man, supposed to write to some call Mary Brown's corner. That's the code. Lone crab catching schemers. Jesus please. Ah! That is it. That's a broke the red light, sodomite. Nah, it's a road dog them, you know, man. You see the coaster them and the 82, 81, 81, 35. Yeah, man, you see them a come, man. Move out the way. We are mad somebody. I'm mad them, I'm mad out. No joke. That is it. Yeah, man, so we almost reach a Constant Spring. Yeah, we almost reach a Constant Spring. Yeah. Anyway, we are going to St. Mary. You should have known what St. Mary we come from. That is it. Yes, man. We are going to St. Mary to catch crab. You know the operation. Yo, girl, I'm up that tick here for. Schemers the car glass dirty little bit, but I don't know. We need a Jew to the car park under one tree. Yeah, uptown. See it there? How we saw this up? Those are cleaners. Cleaners and pharmacy. Yeah, man. Yeah, the cops them out.
It's a broke shot I do America, no?
Yeah, man. Easy, Mr. Brookshot. Yeah, man, big. That is it. Yeah, man. So I don't know. Come up, person. I walk, go back down. It's a lie. I chew you walk and sell. Yeah, your foot are bony, but you not feel it, cause money at all. Money are bony, your foot are bony and money are bony.
One try with a crack, average by like 3 o'clock. We got average by 3 o'clock. You came out to me, man. Don't put me again.
I say people them love shrimps. So hold on. Sometimes we don't put crayfish in there instead of shrimps. No one come buy one of me sell shrimps as a crayfish, you know. And them man tell me say a shrimp and me say a crayfish this. Like me don't know them crayfish and shrimps look alike, you know, but all the thing the crayfish are look a bit darker and tougher. Oh, me never, you know that about it, that's swear to you. Yo, but me not like still no scorpion.
Yeah.
Them leg them more bigger too. No, say a crayfish, you give me a lot about that shrimp. Like me don't know shrimp. Shrimp catch down my back. Hey. A deep you have to go catch shrimp. Hey, I know all them have so much shrimp. I know shrimp are not easy something for catch. Good. Crab catch a town, but Portmore. Remember say Portmore a crab bush, you know. I still town. Yeah, schemers will still live on the country road there, you know. Yeah, we just take a look at time and go in, you know what I mean? Yeah, and I sent me here there. That I code. That is it. See the schemers. Only back here in front of up on the little beanie road here, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yes, schemers, so pull up your stuff. One block, say no. That I code. Sorry, fam. Yes, schemers, so pull up your stuff, look some food. Let's say, what's the last figure? Soap. Oh, soap.
to me.
Does it get up? I mean, the one that. Alright. Yeah, schemas, the temperature change. Change the temperature, the place more cool, you know, you can feel like a country there, you know. Yeah, the temperature more cool up here. That is it, you know, we are going to St. Mary. Everybody's supposed to know, right? That's over there. See there? When you pull up through Castleton, and you come up, yeah, stop right there, so. Where them have the bossy OFC and them something where you can get a fried chicken and all of them something there. You see it? Yeah man, the G them and buy soap. Bad soap there. Red pea soap. That is it. Figure you spill the soup, man.
Full to the brim, you know.
Full to the brim. That is it. Yeah. How is this name again? This Gizzarda, yeah. Yeah, schemas this name Gizzarda, make out of coconut and sugar and flour on the edge. Yeah, flour make the part on the edge. Yeah, nice. That is it. Where? Right, that's all? Oh. Go up in there? That's a not a baby cinema. That's it. The schemas. So.
Look at you, so one time you hear me say crab, just prepare me and pull over at the same time, right?
Alright.
Yeah. In club big a while ago, you know, dog. Jesus Christ, dog. Not more than we pass him, and the second car pass him and him run going in the bush. Bumbuckler. Come on, the water commission already, you know.
Man, having flashlight out there in the schemas are shining in the dark and look big up there, you know. Yeah, schemas, me I feel drive slow car. When you see crab them, we just jump out and grab them.
Ducks a while ago, you know.
Jaja. So me I drive too fast, I show a black side direct me. Jaja.
You gonna show us sleep as the magic will come.
The whole can't dig out.
If you dig out, it now make no sense in the other part with them
Cut through. Oh. Schemas a crab. Okay. Crab them will move away blocks. Just catch a crab. Crab hole for you go make two side team. You know, a night with there, so you know schemas. That I code. See the next crab hole there is a smaller crab fit in another hole there. You want to see the blacks just catch a while ago? Crab a catch man. See the amount of people you see just gone, so crab there. You see, second lane. Crab for days. Yes. Night boy, yeah, let's see yours. Look the crab them same way. Yes, schemers, that are the code, you know. That is it. You know, a whole heap of people there in the bush here look crab, you know. Schemers, I know, I'm not sure no one crab on it. We'll see a crab hole of schemers. See there, a little one. It's the next crab hole right under my foot. Peony wallet for days. Hold him, man. Hold him, Peter. Hold him. Watch it. Watch it. Hold him. Give me a phone.
Hold him.
Give me a phone. Hold him.
The color, you hear the movement, sir?
Hold him. Hold him. That is it. Hold him. Yeah, man. Put him there back.
You have someone sitting, dog.
Hmm?
You have someone sitting,
Me
dog.
have your phone and the next one. Push him there, but go on the look for red. Hold him.
Movements over this. Do my phone.
Okay.
Hold my bag. You walk it.
You
want
walk it.
movements over this.
Hold on there. Shit. Hold on.
Red and white.
Jamila and Sasha and Crystal can't take them rough hiking here. Jesus Christ, what is oh, bag wire right? This is schemers. We have to watch your bag wire. It's looking like we lost. It's a tree in the we have to go through. Secret. Hold on the way for me the bad bro. Hold on the remember me have a bag to put the crab in there. You move too fast so you see crab them. See crab here, crab figure, crab figure, come for him. Come for him, see my right sir. See my right sir figure. Grab him. Grab that boy. Figure, get to come for the bag there. Grab him. Grab him. Put on sit. Oh my God. Grab him, see him there. Figure, rest him foot pan him. Take him up by the back. Take him up by the back. Alright, trim now back. Trim now back. Trim there. Join a friend down there.
That's what take time was.
Look up here, crab. Go and grow will soon come feel when I get big, no worry yourself. You soon join a friend them in the bag, then to the pot. schemers. Feel like my foot them can't take it no more. Watch ya. Watch ya. Cha. Crab hunting.
I feel that oil going on more, but you not charge it.
No like.
Yeah, me like that stop the rickety, you not stop too far from it.
I like that.
Right there. No me pocket. The boy hold my toe. Yeah, the boy blocks like the boy. The boy coming.
Come in a bag.
Some me over fix from me now.
That is it, people catch a next crab. What's that boy there?
One on the past time, you feel right on the man.
Yeah.
When?
Yeah.
You have one crab alone walk. You're an idiot. You know, lamb yellow crab. No lamb yellow crab. You have one crab alone walk. Look at them there.
The next one there?
Yeah, that's like. Two me not light. You can't.
Me no shoes on. Next one there, Figo? You see the next one there?
No.
You got that for guys. Simple. Hold him. Hold that boy there. Hold him. Let me hold him.
You go get way.
None come out. One come out.
Yeah.
Figo, what you doing? You catch him? Watch him catch him. Let me grab that one. Alright, see me grab that one. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Figo, watch your bag there. So see bag I come down there, watch your bag. Alright, see that boy there now.
Yeah. You can't do it, so.
Put him to me. Back on the back on the
Alright.
Your bag alright, bad man. You want there for two come to
Figo, you know tie the bag, you know, man. Tie the bag, Figo. Tie the bag.
You can't tell the work, dog.
Tie the bag.
I'm going in the bush, dog.
Big crab. The fuck are you? How much is that crab here? 6 days. $2?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What? Yeah.
In vex, so we go crab bush and no call him.
I'm most vexed, brother. Most vexed.
Schemers, see them there?
On a pretty door.
Which one? Yeah, the first one that Figo catch last night. What's in color? See the people remember what time Figo catch him? That big one, I think I was the last one.
Money step on the catch the prep, brother.
Money step on the big one? In dead?
I'm broke him up.
Yeah. Him still alive, see me I move, they put him down there.
Bonnie broke up him foot them. Man no say I catch from.
Dog, dislocate him shoulder.
Hey.
I'm going for that one, yeah.
Yes, schemers. See crab them there.
You walk out in the night, you know.
So this way I got crab bush again in the night, yeah?
Go down.
Show them out in there. Show them out. Jesus, I'm the mother. Schemers.
I'm gonna catch bigger than them, you notice?
Yeah. Schemers, that's crab.
No, me have a big one. Me have a big one. Me have a big one. Sister, me have a big one. get holy power, man.
What's all the brown one there? Sickly. Yes, ski man, see fire there? Fire catch, you know, Figo catch up with fire. Figo catch up with fire. I don't know, crab I go up on fire. That is it. Yeah, man. That's the code. See there.
This way for going down somewhere. Who's plastic?
Yeah, see there. See the schemers. So, how much crab we catch?
Yeah.
8 crab we catch.
Spoilers 4.
No, how much? How much you in this?
8.
8 crab. 8 crab. The inner this. And Stephanie buy more crab last this morning in a town.
People, 8 crab you catch because.
How much crab you buy a town, Stephanie, and put in there for me? 1,006.
People, 8 crab we catch last night because we saw the man them bring over. The tree ready and the artist thing them bring over someone and then pop left in the middle of nowhere. We don't know which shop to go left now right. Fuck up the whole operation last night, you know. But in any idea, I catch more than everybody still.
No, the ski man them are going to see it. Yeah, the crab boss, you know. Yes, ski man are the crab boss. If they play with it. Yeah, man, this man in there watch a video where you catch them and say, boom, boss, you got a real crab boss.
I don't tell when I die crowd, I tell Omar.
When I die crowd.
Crocs dog.
Crocs?
Mangrove, yeah.
Oh, Crocs, I'm afraid of Crocs. First, may I see this? Oh,
No,
Crocs,
not
afraid of Crocs.
Hopefully any moment now.
Yes, ski man, see the crab in a pot. Sorry, I never get for sure no winter where I put them in there, but I don't know what me they gone on the road gang day with something. Yeah, remember that one, yeah? Red and white one there. Crab in a pot, you know what I mean? That is it. Alright. When I crab them under a car. You see him? Okay. Here people, the crab I try escape under the car. See him there under there, so? See him the people? Push him out. Push him out. You fucker, you. Come here. Push him out right there, so. What? Yeah, man. What? Hey, don't step on him, you know.
No, step on him. I catch him.
The last time you broke one of them. Get shot. Give me by him back. That is it. Yeah. But I feel like you can get away. You can't hold him. Hello, nigga. Evident.
Why they just going to watch him.
Yeah, man, a crab in a barrel. People, look, this is crab in barrel. This is what they call crab in a barrel. Probably. Yes, schemers, where I get the crab them now. Me just want a normal size crab like that. I the red and white crab is somebody catch last night.
You want it?
No, sir. The red and white crab. Give me that one. Give me the red and white. Give me red and white crab that we catch last night.
I just find the foot
Not for find the red and white foot, them not find any foot. Yes, schemers remember that crab, yeah? The first catch of the night. That one day. So we catch a crab and Stephanie boil them and she sell over them. We keep them.
Stephanie, do you go?
Stephanie, just a pick choose or refuse.
Come here and look for you, put them.
The specific red food them here look
Me
for.
don't want the pepper them. You want pepper in there?
Come
What
take
you
mine.
say? Put pepper everything in there. What do
Pick
you?
out mine with this here.
Wow.
The pepper.
Yeah, you can do that.
See one of my red foot there. Stephanie just a look for this. No, man, me alright. Stephanie just a look for the specific red foot them. They give me too much of that water. That is it. Yeah, people, you see that boy I will catch it. I'm sure you see back there. Remember him? Ah, tia. Yeah, man, and me I go mash him up. Yeah, so me and Jamil will come and Stephanie come by about the crab them we catch last night, even though it's our man catch most of them. Yeah. Crab, and me I tell you, I watch how much is the egg? Do you have egg?
You want egg?
Jamil buy one egg. Give Jamil one egg.
Me?
You want that?
Yeah. Boil. Yeah, boil egg.
Oh yeah, something of these here have egg and I want frank.
No, I no frank.
Or just eggs.
Glad. Let me get take a boil egg in here.
Wait, boil with the crab. Yeah. It's nice. Spaghetti then eat it. So it tastes good. Nice in the water. So the water, I'm supposed to eat it. Dip it in the water and eat it. Let me say it tastes good, yeah. Never try it yet still, but let me say it tastes good.
So you have to
Hold on, Stephanie, as me see them claw, they look like my Mr. Claw, yeah. So Stephanie, mom. People business are going, you know. Business are going, see there, corn in a pot. Good body, cas.
A crab and corn always tastes nice.
Aye. So, I want that you buy corn?
And crab.
Yep.
That's famous.
Every day you come.
Every day she come down here, she buy half dozen crab.
You know, see her body, look at her body, whatever it is to her.
The biggest machine that on the block.
Eh? She just a come from work, she excited, so she left work and why?
Eh? No, because I'm stop me to come back down.
Crab herself.
Come by building.
Oh, you want? You have to get the biggest crab.
Come girl always come spend her $2 and $1,000. We feel like
Jesus Christ.
yeah, come spend her to claw, Rickety claw.
And my claw that. See the schemers and my claw that.
Oh, you got it from
It one red crab.
Red crab, St. Thomas crab.
A St. Thomas crab. I sent me a Rugo last
Yeah,
night.
them there St. Thomas too. What kind of St. Thomas them go last night? Oh.
Send me a Rugo. Me think them want to go St. Thomas tonight.
I don't go tonight, man. I go.
Watch yourself on them stone, you know. Because Stephanie place not in shore.
Come here, come
Bro, Michael woman foot here. He place not in shore.
No, I'm the pepper pot.
No, she hide from her man, people. You want so she skip and dive a while ago. She don't want him come to cry. You want to go? People just say her man over there, so she skip, she duck, she rock. She skip, she duck, she rock. Yeah, she don't want him come to see her cry.
Coach Stephanie, hold me up, you might turn up on our watch.
I told you. No, sir. Hello. No matter 2 years spend the $2 grand, come take over life with them. Remember say crab dead in
Big mom, big things.
Ersker. I try to run go road now. Boy catch it fast, I run go, boy catch it run and go. Kalang. As this a Ray market, yes sir. Our name Ray market down at town. Yeah, every year them burn it down 2-3 times for the year. Now it burn down. See it there? See it the schemers. Ray market it burn down. Every year you have to burn down 2-3 times for the year, you know. And the people them still a set up business back. Catch a woman over there so with her look umbrella. Right, they say now the middle of it. That's what fear style used to do, so she just go hold back her spot. Yeah man, and see there, style a build up back same time, you know. Yeah man, sharp man, tell them man.
Yeah, man, that is it man. We live life, you know, so people them outside are going to make it same way.
Make it work. That is it. 12 o'clock don't release it.
12 o'clock you didn't release it.
So I don't know your artist name.
My name is Shaquan, but you wouldn't need to know because
Why?
you can't talk to me.
Why?
You can't conversate.
Why I can't conversate?
What
is wrong with
bro,
me?
God, let me tell you something. I don't like your friend Baka, man. Baka God mentality.
With
And
what?
that hurt.
With
That
what?
SpongeBob and Patrick apart. You know Patrick live under a blood clot, right?
No, but we talk reality. We talk
live under a rock.
reality. No, we are
Them
talking
people
reality.
listen this. The man them out here I get Gigi over Shani Muir song too good. He said she don't want a man where every girl fuck already. While these same little bingy balls boy I go get up and singing them song, so them no want a mattress, them no want this, them no want. Don't me tell you something. Enough of them are mad and kill over the mattress. Enough of them want to ride off the mattress. Everybody want boom pick a lick pan mattress. Listen to me, Bill, and stop it because it's all about business.
No, yeah, me know that part there. Me know that part there, but when time she said she don't want a man where every girl fuck already.
So what she feel for say?
You get me? I just fiction she attack. Because there's something about the man make every girl want fuck him. And when time she find out about that.
Everybody grow the way you wanna grow, you hear? Everybody, every individual, yes, you're right, so have a different background. Grow different and all these things. So if Goody over there so and singing, and you notice Shani, you know the type of artist she is, she never yet contradict herself. Member good. Because you see, although I definitely want to ears them, I hear very well not the other one. Mama never ever in a musical history contradict herself. No time. One level Mama sing pan and it's for speaking up for the girls them. So Bill over there so
Trying to fuck a yard man.
She when she fuck a yard man, nothing
So
have to
every
stop
girl
her.
fuck yard man.
Listen to me,
Can't
Shani Muir
take
is
no-
a Jamaican
Can't
and Mobby
take-
and Mama come from.
Yeah.
She been a fuck
Why
yard man.
make sure
What
she
matter
fuck?
about?
Oh, so what I say? What's she sing that for?
She said she don't want a man where every girl fuck. If every girl a fuck me, something about me.
Yay!
Something about me. I went time she go find out about. I went time she find out. She a go and fuck me too.
Man of XX.
Shani Muir.
Simple as it is.
Nothing about it.
You are a nice girl. All the way we see her walk past. All the way there on the block. One I would want first to get something there, you know. They look nice and sexy, you know.
Alright, question. Don't she make come in a fold, boo.
Hey.
What when you get a piece of the pie?
Mm.
And your dog them still want eye and look so. Can't informer still, but level up. We're
Yeah.
ready for that.
Yeah.
And the rest of the dog them still see that big body girl, a pass, the fat front girl. Them not responsive if you get piece like them still a look piece like.
Ah.
Let me tell you the value though.
Hey.
Once a nigga get it on,
Hey, yo.
you say, yeah, you buff and rough and raw. Yeah. Value gone up. When them say a mattress, when them say a mattress and them still got and it tight like a nut, them still have to talk.
No, we can't say we don't want to get every man fuck. We don't want to get every man fuck.
Yeah, me don't want to get with every man fuck already because I'm most pussy she has
But
said.
that's not the point. You know the point is, babes. All the while the man them sing and talk, say them no want, no girl will want the whole of them. Yet still, them would have book a girl and want the girl, whole of your friend them, you know. All our family, if our mother lay down, kill it, she get all about it. What is this?
What is it?
Yes, sister, the world no level. What is it now?
That is
Not a cold more than people. Let me tell you what
man
I see
get
what I
rid of
want.
water in garden and fix flowers there. We get plant to plant and dig.
Big up your status. Big up your
So we
status,
depend
baby
on
Lord.
them.
Camera over yourself.
Baby lad say hot power, yeah, yeah.
The whole of them man them. The whole of them look about the money we are going like so they full of style more than nobody else. Go away from here. Robbie.
And one thing with you full of lyrics though.
That is it.
Chinese do they also?
No, where say? I went China today.
Chi chicks.
I didn't look like Chichi.
Chinaman there.
But stop with it.
Oh!
I want to look at body me, you know.
Baby gone black.
Yo, I want to look a piece of body me. More time, I see you wake all my time, I wonder, wait.
Oh wait!
What shall I do? You have?
What shall I do?
What the fuck?
Me not, I see, sharp boss.
Where am I go with
Me,
that?
a little piece of wood me have to. Me not self-praise myself and then when time she see it, she go say, what is that? Yeah, one little piece of something me have. If you see it, and you're ready.
And if mama, if a boy take a fuck off a mama and don't look back for a mama, our next man say mama like mama, it's like a dog would have vex with mama to mama say, yeah, pussy wanna look a fuck and yeah, move from there. Like the people them do what them want to do with them front. So no bright. You know walk a swing ball, all about swing till all about. You know box in the face. Listen to me. Listen to me how much you don't have. Listen to me.
No, our count bring up our value. Our body count bring up our value. The more woman run through, our value go. Hey, you know say uno woman. You know say uno woman make we get woman.
Hold up, yeah? Let me pause this for you. Hold the fuck up, yeah? Hold up, pause, motherfucker. You got me fucked up in the head, yeah? Let's talk about this. So you're telling me, yeah? You're fucking 30 bitches a day, yeah? You're coming home to your one woman who's fucking you alone, yeah? So when you come to her body count isn't going up. Fuck me, them and them. You're telling me you're fucking 30 girls and going home to your good, scrumptious, good pussy woman with all them 30 girls body count, them 30 girls that probably not having one man, yeah? Having probably 10, 5, 3 man, yeah? And you're fucking 30 girls. You don't even know how many men they fucked before. And you're coming home to this one bitch that's fucking only you alone. Tell me about motherfucking body count. The fuck?
So, wait there. If
on about?
No, sir. No, sir.
Me drive the car. Me can take time drive it. Me know how to drive it.
Good body, so you come stand up in front of me.
Yeah, me drive it.
Yeah.
Are you gyro to the? Are you gyro?
I want my turn more.
Nice body, Moisha. For them nice body there.
Smoke cigarette.
Sonia and them sitting
I like an artist here. I have to go get a song them.
Are you? Baby, I can't manage me. That's how they manage me.
Why? Try me, you buy me. Never try me yet. I need a pedal. You can't try me.
She and baby lad go at it already about the same topic, you know.
I be a run, she run.
She and baby lad go at it by the river.
Yeah, remember? But she run.
Jesus Christ.
machine.
Get them peace side. Give them peace side. One camo. Feel it. And let me get feel it, feel it. Ah, one way. Hey, 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 hey. Where? Lego sang the selector. Muscular. We're outside. Ah. What you mean? That's a good. Lean back, come here. Lean back. Hey. Bombo clan. Good picnic. Good picnic. Ah. Ravers, get them peace out, Ravers. Ravers. Aye. No, pull up. No, pull up. No, pull up. No, pull up. DJ? Ah. Ravers. What's up, Pata? Hey. Oi. What's up, Pata? Hey.